Yo, look who I got out the garden. Homie, I'm taking you back, bro. He said, I'm out of here. You okay, little buddy? Drag them down the roads. Cover. Should be over with. I always hit it twice. Fertilize on the bottom, fertilize on the top. Make my mound, fertilize the mound. Repeat that process. Yeah. For sure though, get that black cow, cause that black cow what it is, you feel me? I used it last year, I don't even know why I tried to use something else, and yeah, I used it last year, came out good. Using it again this year, working for the best. A whole lot, but shoot, we got 2 more mounds in. Mounds from yesterday. Mound from today. Got the other little mound finished up. Got some more rows to finish. A couple more rows this way. Hit 2 on the back side. We in the game, baby. We in the game, baby. We in the game after that. I'm cucumbers, I'm gonna pickle some this year, but that's for that fish grease. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. If you don't cook, don't fry fish, you don't know how to cook, don't say nothing. But if you know, you know.
I got one brother, then we grew up kids, we were there for one another. You got what I know, then we got my back, Danny and my brother.
I failed a lot of times, but through failure I learned what didn't work. I gained knowledge. I stayed focused and never quit. Grind hard, grind smart.
I done made my mind up, I'm about to turn my grind up, and I never quit.